What up? Fucking god damn it. I hate this new Facebook layout so much. Every time I start a video, it messes me up. It lags, and then I'm all out of sync, and then it tells me it's not out of sync. So I gotta trim my videos. That's bullshit. And I can't see comments like at all. Like I can't. I'm gonna try to get the live on my phone and then watch the live on my phone so I can see the comments. That's silly. This is fucking dumb. Stupid. Very stupid. So, holy shit. I finally got my Kaiju Live box. It's been forever. It's been in Michigan since like the 1st, so I don't know why I'm just getting it now. Like I don't know what the fuck UPS is on. I get they're understaffed, but like it was out for delivery like 5 times and I never got it, so whatever. I'm just happy to get it. I'm not happy is that they decided to like beat the shit out of the box. I don't know if you can really tell. There we go. It's like all like smashed in. It's like there's like fucking like ripped up. There's like holes in it. Big giant like probably a tail or a foot right here smashed into it. So, you know. Good old USPS. Fucking hate them. So I'm very excited to get into this. Great guys. I kind of forgot what's in here. I've been paying it off since like February. Like it's been forever. So thank you guys for always being so cool about that. So yeah. Oh, my last video, someone or a few people were unhappy with how I opened my box with a knife. So for today's video, I'm going to be a little bit more gentle, and we're going to open the box with the Benelli 12 gauge pump shotgun. So should be a little more gentle than a knife. Oh, I fucking wish. That'd be awesome. That'd be fucking awesome. Slugs! Alright, let's get another shit. So I remember a few things. There's a few. This is like going to be my sofubi, my best sofubi unboxing ever, because I'm never going to buy 5-6 things at once. All right. This box looks small. I hope everything's in here. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. All right. Make sure everything's in here. Yeah. What is that? Oh, yeah. All right. Start with the first thing. I don't know why I bought this. We got a GMK Bandai Mothra. I've been kind of on a Mothra kick for the last couple months. I really like this because it's like, it's party. I'm not like crazy about most of these Bandai figures. It's just not my, it's not my deal. Not my go-to, but they're cool. You know, greasy as fuck. Fucking AJ wrapped this up while eating dinner or something. Oh my god. Alright. Cool. I'm gonna sell this. Pretty purple. Yeah, I'm not, it's whatever. It's cool. I don't know why I bought this. It's not the worst thing ever. Alright, now let's get into the cool shit. All right. We got a Mecha Godzilla in here. Just throw that everywhere. Some animal. Cut this boy in. Wrapped up and still sealed. Well, shit. All right. What are you? You Ballmark, Bandai? Ballmark, Mecha Godzilla. He's got some blue and gold on him. Looking damn cool. That's fucking sweet. Very happy with that. Over here. Much better than that Mothra. Set this off to the side. That thing's fucking awesome. Alright. Oh. A happy moment. Definitely check out Kaiju Live. They go live Sundays and Wednesdays at 8 o'clock, 8:30, somewhere around there. Great people. Shit. I did overspend on this, but I don't care because I couldn't find one for the longest time. And then it happened to pop up on Kaiju Live, so I was like, oh, fuck it. And then I got into a bidding war with someone. That's cool. It's cool. Money well spent. We got a Atragon. And he came with a mini and hopefully the mini's in there. What the fuck? All right, so what was this? I'm on Marmot. All right, so we got the Marmot Atragon here. Probably about 9-10 inches. Big boy. Very big boy. Very cool. Little bent. Whatever. That's cool as fuck. Very happy with that. It came with a blank mini, like real mini 62 Godzilla, and I don't see it. So, here it is. Okay, all right. Here's the bag for the Atragon. It's got a little stand and whatnot, bag and header. This is why I wanted it. This is a mini 62 blank. What was it? Marmot from 03. Cute little fucker. And it didn't come with the Atragon set like initially, but somehow they got it, and I was like, oh, that's cool as fuck. So I kind of want to paint this myself or something out and get like a cool little pink paint job on it. I think that'd be awesome. All right. Time for the big boy. The big boy or the big girl. Fucking Jesus Christ. We got the Maru-san. 450 Mothra. I mean, she's going to be this big. She. Whatever gender you are. Get into here. I should open this with a shotgun. Much better. Now I will open these. I do try to open like the bag shit more carefully because I do keep the bags. It can store 1,000 bags in a single fucking X Plus box, so I don't mind keeping those. Always keep the bags and headers. Yeah, holy shit. That's fucking ridiculous. Big old I mean, holy shit. Fucking that's giant. That is giant. Holy shit. Holy fuck. All right. This is the coolest thing I have. Definitely the coolest thing I got today. I was really happy about that Atragon, but oh my god. Look at those colors. See, let's unbag this real quick. Oh, of course, they use like goddamn demon fucking staples. Yeah, this thing's awesome. I gotta get this out of the bag. I thought my I don't know what it's not is it a 350? I don't know what it is. It's a much smaller version of this. Almost the same colorway too, that's pretty cool. All right, keep that. I will come back here, bitch. Look at that thing. Holy shit. Holy shit. That is a big sofubi. Like, goddamn. Look how pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Mothra, you pretty bitch. That's fucking sweet. So yeah, awesome. Absolutely awesome box day. It's not a big giant X Plus, but I am really getting into these, colorful figures, smaller figures. It had to happen eventually. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you. Oh wait, but shut the fuck up. I have a couple more unboxings coming this week. Hopefully, maybe if USPS decides to get their shit together and actually deliver my stuff. So some more content is coming. So yeah, thanks for everyone for watching. Don't get corona. Adrian, oh my god, I can see fucking comments now. Awesome. What up, Adrian? All right, everyone. Peace.